Isa! Go Anders! Hi! Anders! Where's Miriam?
They're not sheep, those are cows. Look at the view of the town. Is that where we come? Does that need to be so?
No, that's not the visa. It's too close. That's Lichtenwalde, I think.
Why do we stay there?
Because they're letting the other ones in.
That's the way out.
Spectacular view.
It's cool, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, look, there's McDonald's.
Why are we staying up here?
Because they're putting some more people in.
Once you're in here, you stay with the day. You need to sit down. You sit down. Hey, you can stay
Oh,
down.
we're going again.
Why are we going that way? Stay?
Do you want to do it, Mary?
And
They knew. They should have went to that feeder there.
Ja, Anders, get off the... Daddy called a deer. Oh, look at him. You want to feed it? Hold the cup.
You want to look over here?
clean the whole thing out.
Oh, it doesn't want to have it.
Whoa, Mum, look at clean the whole thing out.
I saw that.
Why do you want to go upstairs?
Once one starts eating, look, the other ones are looking.
They're not loyal.
Move back down this way, but see if we'll come down here. Back up in.
Anders, back up, come down the road. Oh, no, I didn't mean chip out. I said, come on. Get off. Ah, how about you? Is your lunch good? Dinosaurs.
I didn't like mine.
Whoa.
Pull it down, go.
See you later, alligator. Yeah, I see. I saw that. I got it all. Did you brake? Whoa! Go, Anders!
Mum, the crane driver. Oh, now that is a beautiful stack. Man, Ezra's got it. He's good at driving.
He's good at driving.
Sadie's pretty good too.
Yeah.
You wait a couple more years and I'll be doing silage.
With a crane.
With a tractor. This way a bit, Anders. Ezra?
Come closer to Mum.
Bring it this way a bit.
Oh, that's going to be a dodgy tunnel. Tower. Ready, Ezra? Oh!
You gotta lift it up. That's it, if you lay back. Did you fall?
Whoa! And here's a little digger without a digger. Sadie is in training. Ezra knows how to do it. And this one needs a drink. Think you might get a job at Pops.
You go around the circle thing. Hey, Sadie, you're going backwards.
Go the other way. Yeah, I can.
Hey, go the other way, Ezra, go forward.
Line and loose. Look how little it is. Oh, look, I want some feed. Nope, Mommy doesn't want to.
Tell you what, the weather's pretty good over here at the moment. We've had nice hot weather compared to what we've been having at home. Don't fall off, Anders.
Yeah, look.
Alright, Ezra, let's see what we can find some information here. What's this one?
22.
1384, so the first time that they mentioned anything on paper, this castle exists.
So potentially it's born anywhere, it could be before 1384.
It could be, but it has been mentioned.
Yeah, you can't go up there.
What?
So it is.
Can you go up there? Can you go up there?
7 to 800, 6 to 800.
Like closer to 600 and 700.
Okay.
Oh my god. Dad, what are those for?
Those are water
This-
fountains.
Yeah.
What are they called?
Water fountain, yeah.
Hey, I see some gold.
Ah, yeah.
Wow, that is a long way down.
Even there's some gold.
You can see the water.
It's the light reflecting off the water.
Yeah.
So they used to get water from there.
Cool, eh?
Dad, no.
So what's this castle called, Suzanne?
It is Burg Kriemstein.
Marianne, no.
I'm not going to try to say that.
Here.
Secret door.
Hey, do you see how many people walk through that step and how it is lower,
It's warm in the middle there.
worn out here where people always walk?
Yeah.
Can you see it?
It's so cool in here. The temperature in here is amazing, isn't it? Is it nice and cool in
What's
here?
that? Target. These targets
I'm not sure.
Oh, coming. Like,
There's rooms everywhere. You can't go into it because it's got a chain first, but you can go down to the chain.
okay. We can go down to that.
I think it's showing, look at the artwork on the wall. See the artwork? Don't go down.
The Gothic wall and a cable castle and Keith Chapel.
Cool, eh?
And this is a little door. Little door.
Very cool.
There.
Ooh, oh, amazing.
Oh,
It's a bed, Anders. Don't hop on it. Do you know what that is?
no.
What's that?
No.
What is it?
Oh, look out there.
What is it?
Look, it's the water.
Yeah, what is it?
You can see
It's a toilet.
toilet.
Yeah, because when you poo, where does it go?
Down
To the
ground.
water.
No, that's a toilet. No, it's only the toilet.
Go sit on the toilet, Anders.
Sit on it, Anders.
He's gonna watch your bum.
Down there, that's where your poo goes.
Yeah. Up here. That looks good. You got a good cut. Is it strong?
Yeah.
Where's the house going to be, Ezra?
In the middle? See? Yeah. Yeah, in the middle it is. Marianne's running away. Those are the old stuff.
Yeah, cool, eh? Right, we need to wait for Mum. Yeah, it's called a chandelier.
What
Have you seen all those fireplaces in here?
There's a fireplace in every room, I'm sure.
This one here, and the black thing in that one corner was also fireplace.
Fire.
So you put it back again.
Is this a fireplace?
Yes, that is a fireplace.
Yes.
Oh, what?
You can't read German, so can't tell you what they are. It's the queen of the castle.
Yeah, this hunting room.
Yeah.
Because they couldn't make glass hunting on today. They had to. That used to be the treasure.
What we're looking at.
So it's like a safe, was it?
The treasures.
Yeah.